In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a window crank on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located on the inside of the door. Let's get started. This is what the back of our handle is going to look like. This is our clip that is holding our handle. We have a special tool to remove this clip. It'll slide in right behind the handle and it'll get into those two slots, and I'll be able to push this clip out. If you don't have this tool, you can just use a right angle pick and pull them off separately. It does become a bit more difficult, but it is doable. We're going to slide that tool in the back of the handle. There goes the clip. And we can pull straight out and remove our handle. Have that new clip already installed on the new one, and we're just going to push this into place. Push until you hear it click into place. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.